Hi, today I'm part of me Tecno Spark Go 2022 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the Icon Changer from the App Store, from the Play Store. That's why under the Icon Changer in the search pool, now we should get this first application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So then tap to open the app and you will see here all of the applications which icons you could change. For example, let's change the phone application icon. Here you could tap to edit icon to rename it. You will see here a library with different folders with the icons. You could use them or to take photo right now in camera app or to use photo from your device gallery. For example, I'll use one from this default icons. Just select it, tap to OK. After that, now we should skip the ads. Tap to add. Now you could change next icon by the same way or click to go to desktop. And let's check the new phone icon. So here we can see the difference. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.